What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Unboxing It. Now today, we're going to be checking out the Unspillable Cup. So this mug comes in two sizes, one being the 12 ounce and another being the 16 ounce. So I personally got the 12 ounce, which I paid for around $10 to $11. So one cool feature about this mug, besides it being unspillable, is that it should be able to fit in most coffee machines. So if you buy this, you shouldn't be too worried because it'll probably fit. This is BPA free, so you shouldn't be worried that that certain chemical is in this cup. Another cool thing is that it is car cup holder friendly, so you shouldn't be worried that it won't fit in your car cup holder. The last thing is that this is dishwasher safe, so you don't have to be worried about putting this in the dishwasher if it happens to get dirty. Inside of the mug itself, there is some instructions on how to use it, a little thing advertising some of their other mugs, and just a little warranty slip. So I've been using this mug for around 10 minutes, and one thing I have definitely noticed is that it really just depends on the surface. So if it's a more flat and smooth surface, it works really great, but then if it's on a more bumpy surface, it won't work that amazingly. Yeah, so we got this dry erase board. So this is 100% flat, way more flat than my desk. It looks like it is using some sort of suction technology. Feels like it's some sort of spring loaded. Put some soda in here and test this thing out. Quick taste test. Jimbo, are you seeing this? Then if I wanna, okay, yeah, that works. That works. I know you're probably thinking, okay, big deal. It's a thing that can't spill over, but I mean, that's just because you're not here in person. I mean, like, I'm positive that if any one of you people watching this video were here in person, like, they would be pretty surprised. So if you guys want to check this out, I will for sure link this down in the description if you guys happen to be interested in this. This is a great product for those Jimbo moments in your life when you're not too focused that there's a mug here and you go to reach for the donut, the sprinkled donut, and you're just going. And I mean, this could save you like $2,000 on your laptop. So I mean, if this seems like this may serve a good purpose in your life, then definitely go check this one out. And I'll see you next one. Peace out.